It is our great honor and privilege to present to you our distinguished guest speaker. She completed her elementary education at Old Damulog Elementary School and her secondary education at Old Damulog National High School. She earned her Bachelor of Science in Biology at San Pedro College in Davao City, and she pursued her Doctor of Medicine at Matias H. Aznar Memorial College of Medicine in Cebu City. She is a dedicated and accomplished medical professional, currently serving as a Medical Officer 3 at Bukidnon Provincial Hospital in Maramag, Bukidnon. Old Damulog National High School is proud of her achievements and her passion for serving in the medical field that inspires many of our students and graduates. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great pleasure to introduce to you our guest speaker, Dr. Carmen P. Rilleras Biliedo. A round of applause, please. May hapon sa tanan. Okay pa ba? Murag na natulog naman. Kanang sa mga estudyante no, maminaw ta kay murag 10 pages na akong speech gi-prepare. Ingon yung principal, kanang, mo daw yung last quiz, fill in the blanks. Ha? So, maminaw ta. May hapon sa tanan, sa mga graduates or completers, proud parents, teachers, principal, barangay officials, school administrators, and everyone gathered here to celebrate this meaningful milestone. For those who don't know me, I'm Carmen Rilleras Biliedo, and I graduated high school 2009. So, sa mga estudyante no, murag wala pa muna anak ato nga time, or mostly sa inyo, wala pa na anak. So, imagine 17 years ago na to. So, when I arrived here sa eskwelahan ganiha, nostalgic kaayo ang place kay I was once a student here. And dako na kaayong improvement. But still, nostalgic po ang place. So, let's go back to the main reason. Anong nata dire? Congratulations sa everyone, sa mga completers. Today is the day that represents years of hard work, perseverance, growth, and each of you arrived here with different stories. Some filled with challenges, others with victories, but all of them led you to this moment. Always ato madungog nga ang graduation or ang ending sa closing, mura kwan siya kanang always ato madungog nga it's not the end. Always gid na siya no, balik-balik na, pero it's true. Graduation or completion is not the end, but the beginning of a new chapter. Think of it as you're standing in the doorway of a much bigger world. One full of opportunities, choices, and sometimes uncertainties. When I was in high school, before man good, wala mag-senior high. So pag fourth year graduation, ang school paper mag-ask sa amua nga unsay ibutang sa inyong yearbook. So ako, wala dyan ko kabaloon sa akong gusto, no? Kay after high school, college naman niya ako. So akong ibutang-butang dito, I want to become a doctor. Pero wala dyan ko kabaloon yung mag-doctor, ko. So years passed, who would have thought na doctor pag yun ko. So kamo, kabalo ko na ano mo yung mga gusto sa inyong future. Unlike me, many of you may already know your plans. Some will proceed to senior high school, others may start working or explore different paths. And some of you may still be unsure. And that is perfectly fine. Life is not a race and success does not follow a single path. Based on this school year's theme, recognizing excellence, honoring competence and character. It reminds us of essential qualities that are important for every individual, especially in facing your future. So first, istorya na to ang competence, no? When we talk about competence, dili na to anaron atong kaugalingon nga mag-settle for less. Kan katong maingon ta, for example, sa ato mga estudyante, I was once a student also. Wingon ra ko nga, okay na ni, makumpleto ko lang ni nga project, okay na. No, dili ingana. When we talk about competence, it means having the knowledge, the skills, and dedication to do something well. The education you have received throughout your school years will help you prepare for the next stage of your lives. It's not just the specific lessons that you've learned in your classroom, but beyond those lessons, you have learned how to think critically, solve problems, work with others, and continue your future. The world today is constantly changing. New ideas are shaping our society, and new challenges are waiting to be solved. Your competence and your willingness to learn, to improve, and to strive excellence will help you these challenges with honor. This is who you are when no one is watching. So katong mga wag naminaw, no? Maminaw ta ha? It is your honesty, integrity, your kindness, and your respect for others. That is who defines your character. And your sense of responsibility when no one is watching. Your competence, your knowledge, mo na sila ang moabri sa imong portahan para sa imong future. But your character will be the one na will keep these doors open. So remember the values that your parents and teachers have worked hard to instill in you. Hapit na ta. To the parents and guardians here today, this achievement also belongs to you. Makita niyo ang mga naam sa mga parents ganyan no pagsaka nila sa stage, proud kay sila. So, your guidance sa parents and guardians, your guidance, sacrifices, and love help shape these young individuals into who they are today. And to the teachers, remember na ko high school pa ko chaotic kayo mong classroom and every day na for the whole school year. So to the teachers, thank you for your patience, dedication, and commitment. The lessons you taught go far beyond textbooks. And to the completers, always maganda ko nakasulat na graduates, no? Completers, to the completers, the world you are entering is constantly changing. But one thing will always remain important. Your ability to learn, to adapt, and to stay true to who you are. Dream big, but stay grounded. Work hard, but also take time to appreciate the journey. And never forget where you come from. As you leave this stage today, or as the school year ends, remember that your certificate is not just a paper. It represents your effort, your resilience, and your potential. The future is now in your hands. Go far with competence and good character. It defines who you are. Once again, congratulations to all the students. May your dreams be bold, your path meaningful, and your journey successful, whichever path you choose. Maayong hapon o congratulations sa tanan.